Hey guys, good evening. So it's 10 p.m. at night and we're gonna vlog the Audi, guys. The reason why I'm gonna vlog the Audi is I'm gonna tell you in a bit. I'm gonna get it. It's just in the next building where I park it, and I'll continue that later when I get the car. So I'll see you in a bit. Even though it's 150 horsepower, the 250 torque is very, very good. Of course, the chassis. The chassis number. Ayan, guys. I always off the start-stop para makatipid sa battery, diba? Ayan, guys. Let's close it. Reverse. Steering assistant active. Drive slowly and operate the brakes. Ayun, guys. Okay. Ano? Okay. Please hold brake and select forward. Okay. Park assist ended. Yeah. So, press park. Okay. There you go. So park assist. Okay. Anyway, guys, so I'll show you the functions of the car. So, yan, basically walang a little ng gear lever na parang yung sa mga bagong Porsche before, or even now yata ganito, maliit. So, reverse, neutral, drive. May paddle shifter siya, never used them. So this one, you could, change the screen. And matipid siya gas, guys, kasi 1.5 but turbocharged. Very, very good torque. Automatic headlights, rear end. That's on it actually, which I'll show you. The ilaw. Yeah, guys. So rear fog lights here. LEDs. Nice LED headlights. Matrix LEDs. Audi na poso yan eh. LED. Of course, nice wood lighting that you could change the colors even at the back. Okay. Tapos sa so if you go to car, which I showed you naman, there's driver assist, lane departure warning, there's even a rest recommendation. There's speed warning. If you have kids and you want to set the speed limit, you can. There is, of course, the hold assist, yung auto hold. Tapos yung, of course, the car information, chassis number and stuff. Tapos yung dalawang susi. Tapos yung service intervals. So next oil change after 11,400 kilometers or October of this year. 2025. So that's the next. Then after that, 26,000. So like I said, guys, ang baba na mileage. Like I said, most of my cars mababa talaga mileage, especially if I bought it brand new. Yan, guys. So tire pressure indicator, light, very responsive yung screen niya, guys. Exterior lighting, automatic headlights. Kung gusto mo late, medium, or early. Yan. Tapos, background lighting. Like I said, you could change to blue, to, what is this? Red, to white. My favorite, the blue kasi bagay sa color sa labas. Tapos pwede rin individual guys. Pwede kang mag-choose. Even the lights here. So red dito, blue dito. Pwede rin ganyan. Pwede rin sa feet. White. So you could change a lot of things. So if you go to colors, you could choose white for the footwell. You know. Yan. Meron siyang white. Pwede rin red. You could change it. Tapos ito pala yun. Yan, red, pwedeng puti, pwedeng orange, pwede rin, ayun o, daming colors guys. So look, so it's very customizable. You could do all blue and blue. So you can even control the brightness, how bright you want it to be. So ako, I like it nice and bright. Tapos yun guys, maritime. So there you go. So this one, that's the default color pag maritime, blue, tapos white and white. Yun guys, so 2022 Audi A3, selling it. I'm gonna post it in the marketplace. I'm also gonna post it in my Armenian Filipino page. If you're really interested guys, just message me. Like I said, when we got this car, this was 3.390 million pesos. That was 2022 of late of 2022 actually. November of 2022 siya binili. So, of course, I'm gonna sell it around 2.6. Something like that. Yeah, 2.6, 2.650 guys. Yan. Kasi ang baba na mileage, very good condition. Everything's well. Yun yan, may gutter marks lang. That's common in cars guys. I'm not gonna repaint that anymore kasi whoever buys it na lang. Diba? But everything else works. Everything's okay. No warning lights. Obviously, this is still a new car, guys. So it's a nice car. But I wish this was a hybrid. I would keep it. But it's not. So I'm not. I want to sell it habang bago pa. Ganun ako eh. Para at least I can get at least enough money back. Diba? So to purchase a hybrid PHEV or EV. So guys, give me suggestions also in the comment section. What is a good car to buy? And let me know. So, and I'll consider it. Basta ako, BYD, Tesla, obviously, pag EV or hybrid. Lexus, pwede rin. Hybrid, Toyota. Toyota kasi, there's only a few na, kasi I'm looking for a not so big crossover or sedan. So Camry's out of the picture because that's a big sedan. So something like this size pa rin, the A3, but hybrid form or EV form. So help me out guys, let me know what's the best. I'm sure a lot of you guys are owners of EVs and hybrids, and I would like to know your thoughts about it. But yeah, if you're interested with this car guys, just message me, Instagram or my Armenian Filipino 7 page, and marketplace, of course I'm gonna post it. So God bless guys, always take care and good night.